Is UN Children's Fund. It means UNICEF. What are the main responsibilities of the UNICEF? To protect children from violence, exploitation means who are treating unfairly, and abusive situations such as child labor, child marriage, child trafficking, and sexual violence. To prevent avoidable deaths and developmental problems of children through the health care, nutrition, water, and sanitation facilities. To support basic education and gender inequality and enhance primary and secondary education quality. Means these are the those agency which is concerned only with the children, to protect from violence, from child labor, from child trafficking, child marriage, to provide health care to the children, to provide nutrition to the children, and to support basic education and equal education up to the primary and secondary level. UNICEF has agreed to provide finance and technical support to a project launched by IGNOU, means Indira Gandhi Open University, to train 1,000 Anganwadi workers of Vidisha district in Madhya Pradesh, where malnutrition among children is very high. Means UNICEF made a project, Indira Gandhi Open University, who are giving training to the Anganwadi workers, and they are sending to those workers on those places where the malnutrition is there in children. Malnutrition means the lack of nutrition. Next is International Labour Organization, ILO. Next agency. The ILO is dedicated for improving labour conditions and living standards throughout the world. In recognition of its activities, the ILO was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1969. It means the ILO means it providing all facilities to the labor to improve the laborer conditions and to improve the living standard of the laborers. Achievements of the UN. The UN has been very successful in maintaining peace in the world. Why it's successful? Because the main objective or the main purpose of the UN is to maintain peace in the world. It has been able to solve many international disputes. It has prevented conflicts from turning into major wars. It is also involved in peacekeeping operations. The UN favors disarmaments, reduction of the use of weapons. It makes effort to prevent misuse of destructive weapons. Today the world is a better place to live in largely due to the UN. Next is India and the UN. India is a founder member of United Nations and participated in the historic UN conference at San Francisco from April 25 to June 26, 1945. India has ever stood at the forefront in the UN discussions on the following issues. Means always India is standing with the UN for against colonialism. Colonialism means any other country came gone in another country to take control. It means control over another country. Apartheid and racial discrimination. It means they are solving the problems against the discrimination which are basis on color, which are basis on caste. Zero tolerance of terrorism means they want to remove the terrorist from the world. Peacekeeping and disarmament, nuclear weapons free world. They want to make our world peacekeeping, and they want to reduce, the UN want to reduce the use of weapons and nuclear weapons. They want to make the world free. They want to make the world free from nuclear weapons and from the disarmament. Okay, so now the chapter is finished. I hope so you have to understand.